Question number 4, what's the worst that can happen, people want to know?
Oh, all the time. I suppose for me the worst thing would be spending a night in jail. That's not on my radar. I hope never to have to go there. But that is generally what I tell people. The worst that can happen is that the judge could decide to lock you up, and it doesn't even have to be for excessive speed. Things like being rude with a police officer, or God forbid, combative with a police officer. It's almost a first-class ticket to jail.
Very good point. We certainly know of a judge that used to sit in a nearby jurisdiction that would be very reasonable, and you could usually get him to help your client out unless that client had gotten crossways with the police officer, cursed the police officer, any of that kind of thing. Definitely would get you a first-class ticket to the Gray Bar Hotel. But the worst that can happen is very unusual, and it would be very rare for somebody to get the maximum sentence of $2,500 fine, 12-month license suspension, and a year in jail. But a good attorney is certainly going to make sure that we're looking at something at the lowest possible end of the spectrum
Absolutely.
for every client.